Hello and welcome back to our Jewel Diaries. I'm your host Reena and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Today's we are going to talk about vocabulary for banking and finance. Now you might be wondering, why do we need to learn this vocabulary in English? Well, think about it. Whether you are opening a bank account, withdrawing money, or simply checking your balance, being able to use the right English words makes you feel confident and professional. And today, instead of just giving you a list of words, I will take you through a story so you can see how all this vocabulary works in real life. Let me start with a memory. A few years ago, I went with my younger brother to open his very first bank account. He was a little nervous because he wasn't sure how to communicate in English at the bank. We reached the counter, and the clerk asked him politely, "Would you like to open a saving account or a current account?" That's when I explained to him that a saving account is mainly for keeping money safe and earning some interest, while a current account is mostly used for business people who need to do frequent transactions. My brother chose a saving account. He was asked to fill out a form with his detail and provide document for verification, like an identity card and an address proof. After a few days, he received his ATM card, and I remember the excitement on his face. He asked me, "Reena, how does this work?" I smiled and explained, "You insert the ATM card into the machine, enter your PIN, which is your personal identification number, and then you can check your balance or make a withdrawal." For him, this was a completely new experience, and he was fascinated by how easy it was to manage money this way. Fast forward a few weeks, and he discovered the world of online banking. I helped him download the mobile app, and we explored all the features together. He could transfer funds to another account, pay his electricity bills, and even check his monthly statement, all from his phone. At first, the terms sound confusing to him, but soon words like transaction, balance, transfer, and bill payment became part of his everyday vocabulary. One day he came to me with another question. He said, "What is the difference between debit and credit?" That's when I explained that debit means money going out of your account, like when you use your debit card to shop, while credit means money coming into your account, like when your salary is credited every month. And of course, we also spoke about loans. If you take a loan from the bank, you repay it in EMIs, which means equated monthly installments. At first, that sounded like a complicated term, but when I told him it's just the fixed amount you pay every month to clear your loan, he smiled and said, "That makes sense." The more he used these words in real situations, the more natural they started to feel. And that's the point I want to share with you today. Vocabulary doesn't become yours just by memorizing it. It becomes yours when you live it, when you use it in your conversations. Instead of saying, "I put money in the bank," say, "I deposited money in my account." Instead of saying, "I took money out," say, "I made a withdrawal." These small changes make your English sound polished and professional. So, here is my little challenge for you. The next time you visit a bank, or even when you use your online banking app, try saying the actions in English. When you pay a bill, say to yourself, "I paid my electricity bill through online banking." When you check your balance, say, "I checked my account balance." This practice will not only improve your vocabulary but also give you confidence in using English in real situations. As we come to the end of this episode, I want you to remember this: money may make the world go round, but vocabulary makes your English flow smoothly. The more words you collect, the richer your language becomes. So keep learning, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use these banking and finance terms in your daily life. Thank you for listening to today's episode. I hope this storytelling journey made banking vocabulary clear and enjoyable for you. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy learning, happy speaking, and maybe even happy saving.